Today I'm going to show you how to get Memepad. So first things first, we're going to add the token onto our wallet. So we're going to click on this icon all the way to the top right. And then we're going to type in just any name. And then add custom token. And then we want to click on the network on Ethereum and select Smart Chain. So and then copy and paste the contract address that we provided below. Says Ethereum Smart Chain. So here we go. It's MEpad. It already auto populates everything for you. Then just click done, and now it has been added to your wallet. And then you want to go down to the apps all the way in the bottom, and then you scroll all the way down and click on PancakeSwap. Yours usually will be on the Ethereum chain by default, so you want to click on the Ethereum sign and click on Smart Chain. And then it's usually gonna say connect wallet here, so I'm gonna connect the wallet and click Trustwallet. Now I have it connected, and select BNB. Once you select BNB, and then the second one you want to click MEpad. It's not gonna have it here, so we're gonna have to import it also. We're gonna go to manage tokens, then we're going to paste the address here and then import MEpad. And then click I understand. It's saying that anyone can create a BEP token on BSC with any name. I understand. Import. So now that we have imported, I'm going to, just to test it out, I'm going to put my slippage to the lowest. Because some of them, they don't need much percent, no reason to give them. So I'm going to do let's do 0.1. 615 MEpad for 0.1 BNB. Then we're gonna click swap, and it says we're gonna get minimum 614. Confirm swap. So it's going to charge me only 43 cents per transaction and max totals of 53.44. And now I'm going to approve it. Okay, so transaction submitted. I'm gonna close it, and any second now we should see the balance raise to 615 or 614, whatever it is. So we're gonna wait for that transaction to come in any second now. Also, I'm gonna make a video hopefully soon showing you guys how to stake these coins now, and for a daily or monthly return on your coin. I don't understand what's going on. It's taking a little bit longer than usual. So if I've helped you out, by the way, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. If you want to know anything, please leave a comment below and I'll get right back to you. If it's something that I feel like everybody wants to know about, I'll make a video, and basically it's gonna benefit the public as well, not just you. So I'm wondering what's up. I think the system might be congested a little bit. I haven't received my balance yet. Wonder what's going on. Okay, so as we see, it's still going through. Recent transaction.